In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border radius to Elementor slides. If you want your slider to have smooth, rounded corners that match the rest of your design, you can do that directly inside the Elementor editor. Start by opening the page that contains the slide you want to adjust in the Elementor editor. Once the editor loads, navigate to the section where your slide appears so you can work on it in place and see your changes as you make them. Click to select the slide widget on the canvas. When it's selected, its settings appear in the left panel. You'll see tabs like Content, Style, and Advanced. Switch to the Advanced tab. That's where the border and corner options live. If you don't see the expected options, make sure you've selected the actual slide widget and not a surrounding column or section. Inside the Advanced tab, find the border accordion and click it to expand the controls. Start by choosing a border type. If you want a visible outline around your slide, pick a style such as solid. Increase the border width so it becomes visible on the canvas. If you'd like different widths for the top, right, bottom, and left, click the link icon to unlink the sides and set each value independently. Next, choose a border color by clicking the color swatch and selecting a tone that fits your design. Now, set the border radius to round the corners. Enter a single value for uniform corners, or click the link icon to set different radii for each corner. You can use pixels for precise control, or percentages for more fluid, oval-like corners. A quick tip: you don't need a visible border to get rounded corners. If you only want the curves without an outline, keep the border type as none and still set your border radius. As you tweak these values, keep an eye on the live preview so you can judge how the corners look alongside your images, text, and background. Subtle radii often feel more polished, while larger values create a bold, card-like look. If something doesn't look right, simply reduce the numbers or relink the fields to make all sides match again. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Update if the page is already live, or Publish if you're putting it online for the first time. That's it. Your Elementor slide now has the rounded corners you wanted, all managed from the advanced border controls.